presenter, please welcome Mr.Worapoj chosen from the Chosen Digital.
Konnichiwa. Hi, I'm Worapoj Chosen, the founder of Chosen. I'm Mr. Chosen from Chosen. Thank you so much for Chosen to come today, and we're looking forward to be the Chosen one in the future too. Actually, we believe in green, we believe in electric vehicles, but bigger than that is energy. That's still a very rare solution for the energy. For the AI, data center, and EV is a huge energy, but very rare solution. That's why we developed the energy solution to be the energy educator and virtual products for EV and data center. On the left is Mr. Brum. He's like Steve Jobs of EV charging around the world. This is his global awards that all the car is using his technology. Why I said about him? Because I know Mr. Brum, and this is my first passion about the energy disruption about EV, because EV is a huge energy and going to disrupt everything in the world. After I develop, I become Thailand champion, ASEAN champion, and world champion. And I got awards from national, from Thailand, and also Shark Tank Thailand, and also from Taiwan, Vietnam, Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, and more awards for me. And also be the speaker of the UNIDO Nation, and also Global Green Growth, and also in ASEAN. Thailand committed to be 100% EV by 2035. The number is interesting because of 15 million EVs coming, but everyone has to charge every day. So the huge energy is coming. Another thing is about AI and data center. That is every prompt that you click is a huge energy. And this is Thailand government data. That is Thailand and going to invest 1.8 trillion Thai baht, or about 60 billion USD in the data center. It's a huge energy is coming. But how big of the energy for data center?
To give you an idea of how much electricity data centers use, today, a hyperscale data center operated by a big tech company uses about as much electricity as 100,000 households.
So data center is bigger than the city for the energy itself. So it's a huge energy, but the infrastructure is not ready yet. It's coming for sure, but what is the solution? So EV and data center is booming, but energy infrastructure are not ready yet. This is the growth of EV and data center around the world, but the problem is the infrastructure has very limitation. They can support only this growth, because EV is like this, and energy is like this, but the gap, like the transformers, like the transmission line, is only this. Bigger than this, we need to upgrade everything. And it's huge, not only cost, but it's time. Because all the transformers, all the electric cable need to be upgraded nationally. If we won't do anything, it could be this problem. It's not the EV user problem anymore. It's everyone problem, because it's blackout. And it affects everyone. And only in Thailand, there are more than 500,000 transformers need to be replaced. But globally, it's always happening. And it's starting already in some countries and somewhere. Yesterday, we talked in the booth. Nepal had the big problem of this, and going to invite me to speak and also to talk to the government. The same problem. With our solution, we didn't think about EV energy like EV chargers, like the EV car only, but we think about the whole infrastructure. So very rare solution, we think about the whole infrastructure, because all the brands, they think about only their brand. That is very fragmented. And also, we have the AI to manage energy as from B2B, up to B2G for the national grid. So we can manage up for the household, up to the building, and up to the national grid. With our AI, we can lower the loads up to 75%. So huge cost that we can lower. And we also can be the load aggregator and also virtual power plants. It could be gigawatt energy that is like 100 power plants combined to be this platform. That we can go lower the loads and can lower the loads and lower the cost for everyone. And this is our difference, because some solution in Europe or in China, this is we are in a world geopolitics. That is, you cannot combine at a world neutral system. That is, it is a world first neutral system that can combine the Europe, USA, and China in the same platform with all the data up to the grid. This is first world first as well. And this is already tested with the Thailand government with a good result that can lower 75%. This is with the government of Thailand with a good report. And not only in Thailand, we develop the Thailand government, National Telecom. This is the Lao government, EDL. This is a Malaysian government that we talking and going to Thailand to have collaboration. This is Hong Kong government, Vietnam government, we also talking. And also Taiwanese government. This is the minister of Taiwan. And also tomorrow we're going to meet Haiti of Japan as well. This is a traction that we already installed more than 50 buildings in Thailand. Not only by B2G, but also have B2B. And our revenue, we have the SaaS model, and also with the energy saving costs for them, and we share the benefit by cost saving. And also we can be the demand response adequate service as well, to be the energy as a service. So we have several revenue streams. And we have the pilot project with ASEAN. We also develop for ASEAN in Taiwan as well. And we already achieved and managed now more than this, about 20,000 kilowatts that we already managed. And we aim to be several gigawatts and very soon, in only 3 years. So it's like 100 power plants combined. E27 is a global media, also featured as a rising star startup in ASEAN. And this is a market size. The global market size is 150 million. This is huge. That is only 0.7% of the market can be the unicorn. So this is a huge market. And this is our projection. Actually, we already have the revenue on 150 buildings, that we already have the revenue from 500,000 USD, and we are growing. And now we projection about 10 million within 2 years. And this is our roadmap that we already have the customers. We just got the ION, the biggest Chinese car manufacturer, for 10,000 units that we need us to install. And also we have the national project and energy aggregator with several of the government. And we aim to be the ASEAN global virtual plant. This is our team. I'm Mr. Chosen. I'm the founder. I have the experience about the IT and energy for about 20 years. And our team with Mr. Jack is our chairman. He's also vice president of Foxconn. It's a global company. And we ask for scale our B2B and our B2G project, like $1 million and to expand to ASEAN countries. So the future energy is not about only electricity, but it's about energy intelligence. But we think about to be the chosen one in the near future about energy intelligence. Thank you so much.